Okay, today's 8:48 a.m. Central Time, Friday the 14th of August, and guess what's happening here today? Got my pole going in across the street over here. Interesting stuff. I'm trying to stay out of their way. They asked that I not film them. Alright, I'm gonna walk up there and get a little closer shot of it. Well, that was pretty quick work. By the time I went and got my camera down in my driveway, I had the pole on the ground. Been out here about 15 minutes. This is done. Alright, I'll be back when it's... I got a hydraulic tamper thing putting all that dirt back in the hole. Very cool. Alright, there's my pole installed. It's in the ground. It's a 35-foot pole. One step closer to having actual real internet. Very exciting. Pretty cool.